month of November, I've been trying to hype myself up to like get ready and get into the Christmas spirit. So I've been doing like a lot of research to get inspiration. I've been crafting what I like to call some Christmas magic. It was just fun and you can do it for various different things. The idea is just to have fun with it and like find your own flow for like when you're coming to like decorate or just to like hype up yourself basically. So I hope in this video, like at the end, everything that I've listed, mentioned, advice, it could help you out if you're not really feeling the Christmas spirit this year. As things are getting harder and harder, we need to like feel the little things and enjoy the little things. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. So first off, I'm going to talk about the little research that I did. Now, as a YouTuber, I do actually watch other YouTubers to get like inspiration, motivation, etc. So obviously, YouTube is like one of the platforms I use a lot to like research how people are decorating their homes and just watching the video and they have on the music and they're cleaning or decorating or shopping. All of those stuff to me like scream Christmas spirit because it's like the time for giving. So obviously you're trying to find what gifts you're gonna get somebody. So they have like gift ideas. There was the Black Friday, like all of these things, and I just like try to take it in. Obviously, I'm not trying to compare my life to those other people. I think that's the hardest thing to do. But still the gift ideas do come in handy, especially that there's a bunch of people doing reviews or advice on certain product. So you can just get an idea before you actually decide to buy something for someone. You can get the feedback from somebody else who used the product. So that to me, that's like a good way to like start off. So you know for sure what you're getting yourself into. And even if you're buying something for yourself, that's good as well. Pinterest, for example, there's a bunch of ideas. A thank you, by the way, for the person creating Pinterest and for all of the people who contribute and sharing their ideas on there. Really, it's really inspiring. So I made a Christmas board with a bunch of DIYs, a bunch of Christmas treats and stuff. If you want, you can go and check out my Pinterest, and the board is free for anyone to see. So you can go and check it out there. Maybe you might get some ideas there. So I just created a board for myself, basically, of things that I like, that I feel are my aesthetic or that I want to try. You know, I like to try a bunch of things. So yeah, I did that, and it gets me like in the spirit in the sense that, oh, that's easy to do and I could get this for a couple of cents. So one of the things that I did try making is this star right here, and I'm going to show you how I did it. I bought these skewers at Action, I think, if you're in France, for I want to say a couple of cents. I can't remember the price, but they're not expensive. And then I just cut off like the part that's kind of prickly, sticky, pointy. Couldn't find my words there. I cut off the parts that are pointy, and basically you're gonna use any kind of glue you can find. It could be wood glue, I want to say crazy glue, but like the hard type of glue that you could just buy at a store, or you can use your hot glue gun, which I am doing right now. And you're going to stick these 5 skewers or sticks in this manner. Everything is also, you can find this on Pinterest. I did not invent it or whatever. Again, I'm just trying and I just had fun with it. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I just stick all of these together, and then I use twine for my first one because I did 2, and I just wrap the twine anywhere. There's not a right or wrong way to do it basically, but I did continuously add more glue along that I'm like putting the twine around everything because I just wanted it to hold well. And then I ended up also getting the lights, like they're not twinkly lights, but like the fairy lights, the LED lights, sorry. And these are about, I think, 40 or 20 lights. And I got this at Leclerc for 150. So it was just actually shocking. The twine, I had it already. The glue gun, I also had it already. So basically, I made something for myself, which I find is super pretty, not for a lot of money. And all of these things, I think that you can find at a dollar store, Dollar Tree, or any like bazaar. If you live in France, those type of stores, you can find these things for a couple of cents. So it was actually really fun to make, and I liked at the end when the lights just come on. That was the best part. Another thing that you can try to get yourself in the Christmas spirit is maybe go out with a friend or even by yourself. You don't need somebody. Go to like a Starbucks, a bakery, anywhere that has like decorative Christmas pastries, cookies, whatever. Just get yourself one. Get some hot chocolate. Get some caramel macchiato. I don't know. Get something seasonal. I don't even know what's the seasonal thing right now. I think I went and I had the chocolate hazelnut from by Starbucks, which was the bomb. By the way, I really love the little nutty hint at the end, and it wasn't too sweet, so it was good. And I got myself a little donut decorated with the little candy cane, so that was the bomb. And then my friend got the like red velvet muffin, which the colors was just popping, but it was also delicious. So you can go somewhere to eat, or you can do everything by yourself at home. Again, the internet is there to give you inspiration. So on Pinterest, Google, YouTube, you can find a bunch of ways to make your home treats, Christmas treats, and all of those type of stuff. But I did end up trying. Also, by the way, I saw these cute wreaths made out of pretzels. They were they were looking so cute, so I wanted to try it at home. I just got regular white chocolate, melted it, and tried to do it, but the result was kind of but I had already tasted pretzels with the chocolate, and they do taste nice. I like the like salty sweet idea, so I was really into it. I tried my best, obviously, to make it work, but it came out a little funky. Like the colors from the chocolate wasn't really there. I didn't have the red color sprinkles, but I think you can use any sprinkles basically. And I even tried to color my chocolate because I don't think that it's easy to find green chocolate where I am. But it was still fun to do. Just take your time and enjoy it. It's also about the experience. You could have on Christmas music when you do this. So just try to like feel. Again, it's about hyping yourself up. And I hope that this video is hyping you up slowly. You still have a week left before December. So you can just do one of these things each day. You can do it with a friend. You can do it with a family member. It's for everyone. Getting back into the hobbies, crafty side type of things, I actually had these like crayons watercolor that I bought like 2 years ago, I think. I'm not sure, but I want to say so. I don't use them all the time, but I did remember that I was kind of into like drawing at a point in time, but I'm not good at it, and I'm not good at painting either. But I said, let me try something. Again, I saw some simple stuff, and this time I'm saying I didn't want it to copy anyone's thing. So I just wanted to sit and just let the inspiration kick in. And what I really like to see is like the window wonderland type of vibe. And you can see a lot of these, like if you are a content creator and you go like on iStock, Adobe Stock, um, Pexels and those type of things, you can find a bunch of nice videos, really like 4K type videos, and it's just the snow and the trees. It's just feeling like so nice, not to be in it because it's probably freezing, but to just to be in like, I don't know, a home where it's cozy and what's not. So I was inspired by this. So this is how I started painting the trees. Like it doesn't really have a proper way to do it. I just went with the feeling, and this is what I end up with. And I was happy at the end with it. It's just for fun. And again, it's something that you can do on your own. You can do it with a friend. You can do it with a boyfriend, a girlfriend. You can do it family members, the kids. Everybody could just, sit and paint their own things. And afterwards, you could put it in a nice picture frame or something, hang it up, make it part of your decor. You can do whatever you want. And talking about picture frames and decorations, if you didn't know, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I opened an Etsy shop. I'm trying something over here, girl. Okay? I opened an Etsy shop not too long ago. I think it's been about 2 weeks now, I want to say, or about a week and a half. But I did, and it has a bunch of holiday prints that I made using Illustrator and Canva. And I had a sale running for Black Friday, but now it's too late. I'm gonna have another one. I'm gonna put everything in the links in the description box below. So this is another sale that I'm running. I hope that you guys enjoyed and that you'll be one of the first to purchase one of the prints. And I hope that you can show me a picture on Instagram or wherever how it looks in your home, how you implemented it in your decor. And these are all the prints that I made, but I am going to add more to this list, and I hope that you do end up enjoying it. So make sure to let me know which one was your favorite. So far, that's all I did. That's all I have for you, but there are a bunch. And if you have anything that you want me to try to hype myself up and whatever, put it in the comments and I'll make sure to try and implement it in the videos. I'm planning on doing a vlogmas for December. I'm just trying to decorate every day a little bit, and so that you guys can see and I can get to share this Christmas magic with you. Again, for me, it's just like really trying to embrace everything that I do. And then December really is like the most exciting part, like Christmas, but it's so short at the same time. So I really want to enjoy it, and that's why I decided to do Vlogmas. And it will push me also to do like more activities, whether it be chill at home or out on the streets, on the road somewhere with friends or something. So yeah, leave me know if you have anything around Paris area or even something that you need for me to try at home and give my opinion on it. I'm willing to do that. So the video is reaching to its end. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you enjoy these type of videos as well. Just me sitting here and showing you the different things that I went through. I enjoy doing them. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys next time in the next video, which is going to be just a home cleaning video, just for me to access everything around the house before actually decorating. Hope to see you there and see you next time. Bye!